discover electricity during this experiment or at all, for that matter. Electrical forces had been recognized for more than 1,000 years, and scientists had worked extensively with static electricity. Franklin's experiment demonstrated the connection between lightning and electricity. The experiment to dispel another myth. Franklin's kite was not struck by lightning. If it had been, he probably would have been electrocuted, experts say. Instead, the kite picked up the ambient electrical charge from the storm. Here's how the experiment worked. Franklin constructed a simple kite and attached a wire to the top of it to act as a lightning rod. To the bottom of the kite he attached a hemp string, and to that he attached a silk string. Why both? The hemp, wetted by the rain, would conduct an electrical charge quickly. The silk string, kept dry as it was held by Franklin in the doorway of a shed, wouldn't. The last piece of the puzzle was the metal key. Franklin attached it to the hemp string, and with his son's help, got the kite aloft. Then they waited. Just as he was beginning to despair, Priestley wrote, Franklin noticed loose threads of the hemp string standing erect, just as if they had been suspended on a common conductor. Franklin moved his finger near the key, and as the negative charges in the metal piece were attracted to the positive charges in his hand, he felt a spark. Struck with this promising appearance, he immediately presented his nuclei stick to the key, and, let the reader judge of the exquisite pleasure he must have felt at that moment, the discovery was complete. He perceived a very evident electric spark, Priestley wrote. Using the Leyden jar, Franklin collected electric fire very copiously, Priestley recounted. That electric fire or electricity could then be discharged at a later time. Franklin's own description of the event appeared in the Pennsylvania Gazette on October 19, 1752. In it he gave instructions for recreating the experiment, finishing with, as soon as any of the thunder clouds come over the kite, the pointed wire will draw the electric fire from them, and the kite, with all the twine, will be electrified, and the loose filaments of the twine will stand out every way, and be attracted by an approaching finger. And when the rain has wet the kite and twine, so that it can conduct the electric fire freely, you will find it stream out plentifully from the key on the approach of your knuckle. At this key the file may be charged D, and from the electric fire thus obtained D, spirits may be kindled, and all the other electric experiments be performed D, which are usually done by the help of a rubbed glass globe or tube, and thereby the sameness of the